Trying to clean screens without flooding them with glass cleaner? Tired of leaving more lint on a screen than you started with? Well, stay tuned and I will show you a better way to clean screens and surfaces. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Windex glass cleaning wipes and 3 things you need to know about them. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Please look in the description for the URL to use when purchasing this item. Thing number 1. This is a safe way to clean large screen TVs and monitors. Because if you've been going at them with a bottle of Windex and some paper towels, you're going to run into some problems, and depending on the particular product, you may end up with some glass cleaner liquid down inside the TV, and that's not something you probably want to do. Using the wipes is a better way than using spray bottles and paper towels. Thing number 2, after opening the package of wipes, make sure the flap is securely closed. I mean, all the way flat, no bubbles, no anything that it would indicate an improper seal. It should look like you've just got the package and never used it if you've gotten it done right. And this is going to help keep the wipes from drying out. Thing number 3, this can be used for surfaces other than glass and mirrors, hard surfaces like your laptop, for example. I mean, that's one way of cleaning it. Thing number 4, and this is a bonus, please dispose of those wipes in the trash. They're not meant for flushing down the toilet, and depending on the toilet involved, you might end up clogging a little bit, and that's gonna be a job that we would all rather avoid. Take a look at this one and think about starting to use these today. I think you'll like what you see. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I would really appreciate that. Please look in the description for the URL to purchase this item. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.